Hello and welcome to this basic tutorial for remeshing with Simplygon in Blender. This tutorial assumes that you have Simplygon installed and an active license. First, we're going to check that we have the Simplygon plugin enabled. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and search for Simplygon. We can see that the plugin is active and enabled. The asset we want to optimize, a sci-fi turret, consists of 3 different parts: a tripod, some cables, and the actual gun. It has 1 material per part, and these parts have base color, specular, roughness, emission, but only for the gun, and a normal map. Remeshing will take all of these parts and create a new mesh from it, and that mesh will have 1 material. To start a remeshing, go to the Simplygon tab and press Add LOD component. We're going to pick Remeshing with Material Baking. If we expand the pipeline settings, we can find on-screen size. This is the quality our remesh is going to be. This should be the size of the object when we render it in pixels. We can look in mapping image settings. Here we can find the texture quality. Under material casters, we don't have anything yet, but if we would select all objects and press plus and automatic, we will get all the corresponding color casters. A color caster maps 1 texture channel from the original asset to the new asset. So we have base color, specular, roughness, normal caster for the normal map, and emission. In our case, we will remove the emissive texture, since it will only affect a small portion of the model. With all selected and set up, we can press Process. We will get our remeshed asset imported into the scene. As we can see, it is very similar in both geometry and texture, but it has much less geometry and can be rendered in only 1 draw call. That is all for today. Thank you for listening.